Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Creating wood jewelry can be a rewarding and creative endeavor. Below is a comprehensive guide on how to make wood jewelry, along with tips on using and wearing it. This guide will cover materials, tools, techniques, and design ideas. Introduction to wood jewelry. Wood jewelry is not only beautiful but also sustainable and eco-friendly. It allows for a variety of styles, from rustic to modern, and can be customized in countless ways. The natural grain and texture of wood add unique character to each piece. Materials needed. Wood: choose hardwoods like maple, oak, walnut, or softer woods like pine or cedar. Consider the color and grain pattern. Jewelry findings: these include hooks, clasps, chains, and ear wires for earrings. Adhesives: wood glue or super glue for assembling pieces. Finishing products: sandpaper, various grits, wood finish, oil, varnish, or lacquer, and possibly a sealant. Tools: saws, scroll saw, band saw, or coping saw for cutting shapes. Drill, for making holes for pendants or earrings. Files and rasps, for shaping and smoothing edges. Sanders, handheld or power sanders for finishing surfaces. Clamps, to hold pieces together while the glue dries. Designing your jewelry. Inspiration, look for inspiration in nature, art, and existing jewelry designs. Consider the type of jewelry you want to make: necklaces, earrings, bracelets. Sketching, draw your designs on paper. This will help you visualize the final product and plan your cuts. Templates, create templates from cardboard or paper to guide your cuts. Step-by-step instructions. Selecting and preparing the wood. Choose a piece of wood that is free from cracks and defects. Cut the wood into manageable sizes if necessary. Cutting the wood. Using your saw, carefully cut your wood according to your design. For intricate designs, a scroll saw is ideal. For larger pieces, a band saw works well. Shaping and sanding. Use files and rasps to shape your wood pieces further. Start with coarse sandpaper, around 80 grit, to remove any rough edges. Progress to finer grits, up to 400 grit, for a smooth finish. Drilling holes. Mark where you need to drill holes for attaching findings or creating pendants. Use a drill bit that matches the size of your findings. Finishing the wood. Apply a wood finish to enhance the color and protect the surface. Options include natural oils, such as tung oil or linseed oil for a matte finish. Varnish or lacquer, for a glossy finish. Allow the finish to dry completely according to the manufacturer's instructions. Assembling your jewelry. Attach findings using adhesive or by crimping if applicable. For necklaces, attach the pendant to a chain using jump rings. For earrings, connect the wooden pieces to ear wires. Using and wearing wood jewelry. Wood jewelry pairs well with casual outfits but can also complement more formal attire. Layer necklaces of different lengths for a trendy look. 2. Care instructions. Keep wood jewelry away from water to prevent damage. Clean gently with a soft cloth, avoid harsh chemicals. 3. Storage. Store in a dry place away from direct sunlight to prevent fading. Use a jewelry box or pouch to prevent scratches. Gifting handmade wood jewelry. When gifting handmade wood jewelry, consider these tips to enhance the experience. Know your recipient's style, pay attention to their personal style when choosing colors and designs. Consider their wardrobe and preferences in accessories. Occasion consideration, tailor your gift to the occasion, whether it's a birthday, anniversary, holiday, or just because, by choosing designs that fit the theme. Presentation matters, package your gift thoughtfully. Use eco-friendly materials for wrapping or choose a decorative box that complements the jewelry. Include care instructions, since wood requires specific care to maintain its beauty. Include care instructions with your gift so the recipient knows how to preserve their piece. Share your process, if appropriate, share a little about your creative process when presenting the gift. This adds another layer of meaning and connection to your creation. Handmade wood jewelry is not only an artistic expression but also a heartfelt gift that can bring joy to friends and family. By taking the time to create something unique and personal, you demonstrate thoughtfulness and care in your relationships. The process of crafting wooden pieces can be fulfilling and enjoyable, allowing you to explore your creativity while producing beautiful items that can be cherished for years to come. As you embark on your journey of making wood jewelry, remember that practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to experiment with different techniques and designs. Each piece you create will contribute to your growth as a craftsman. Whether you're making gifts for loved ones or creating pieces for yourself, enjoy every moment spent working with this beautiful natural material.